I want to make this short video about these beautiful pigments that they are coming from the look. They is a shop that is in Australia. So I of course bought it online, and I talk about this beautiful blue that I made a previous video. So just if you missed that one, just go in and see it. I put it on your left, and I will explain you the process to make the pigment from pigment oil color. It's really easy. I tried for the first time by myself and it was really easy. So I suggest to do it and try it. For the first time in my life, I found something that I actually do not believe myself. I always saw the acrylic color. They are really beautiful neon color, and I always think about, oh, it's so bad that it is not fine. The same in oil color. I found this one that you get eight different colors for 30 milliliters each, and well, it's a good start. You can buy also one of them separately if you just want, but I do not resist to buy it all in once, and it was a really good price, and oh my god, this will be so cool to use it. So, well, I just want to show it to you because this was really cool, and I think maybe different people like me, they didn't know that is actually fine. You can find like fluorescent pigment color, and you can use oil color to your canvas. So it's not that really cool. Okay, well, see you. Bye.